in the backseat. Sneak peek in the backseat. Sneak peek in the backseat.
Where ya going, Charlie?
We're going to a place called MFG. MFG stands for Molded Fiber Glass. I know MFG makes trays, but I can't wait to see how. Wait to see who we will meet at MFG. Well, how do you make a tray anyway? I guess we're just gonna have to go and find out. And did someone mention candy? I hear it's all about having a good attitude at MFG. So come on with me to MFG. MFG is awesome! Let's take a child to work day!